Hi, I'm Lori with Hubert, and today I'm here to show you how to change out the pusher blade of our Hubert Brand Tomato Slicer. So the first thing that you are going to do is screw off the two end tabs. This is on the the cutting board. And we're doing this so that we can get the pusher blade off to be able to change that one out first. Just set this aside. And this is the pusher blade. So this is the piece here that we're going to change out. The first thing we're gonna do is take off the two caps. And then it's basically two washers we're taking off here. And then we're just gonna take each piece off along with the two O-rings until you get all of them off. And we're gonna use the same two screws that came with the unit, but the additional piece does come with the two screws as well. So we're just gonna do the reverse order of that. So there we have the pusher block blade replaced. And we're gonna put the pusher block, and it does get kind of inserted into a little channel here that you'll see. Push that all the way in, and then we're gonna put our little metal piece, screw that back into the tip, and this is what kind of helps the pusher block not to go all the way off. Here we go. But if you do have any questions or need any more information about the tomato slicer or its replacement parts, please give us a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.